right, to let you know in terms of technical aspect before we go into the chart slide, two technical chart. Now, this is the Dow Jones chart, as you can see from all the way from 2014 to now. So what you can see on my screen here is this is called a BMB. A BMB is something that we have for our TWB student. We know what it's all about. So this is the RL, this is the SL, right? Can you see that? Beautiful. Okay. So very simple. This is the X range. So what we believe is this: if the market is to go down, it will go down the same equivalent, or at least, you know. Now, if it goes up, it will go up to the same equivalent. So that's your X, okay? Can you see that? Okay. So now what we have is beautiful, okay? The market back in 2020, it really happened. And if you do that yourself, you have bought back at the low and enjoy the ride up again. So this is beautiful. So now look at the nearest one, which is this one here, guys. This is where it gets very scary now. Everybody take a look. 36,952 is the level for the spot market. The low here itself is 33,150, all right? So this is your range. So if you do the same thing and do a minus X, you actually comes down to here, which is 29,348. That means that, right, if the Dow Jones is a pullback, if let's say the pullback, the market can go all the way down to 29,348, which will also be very near to the 15 to 20% mark from the all-time high. This is absolutely crazy, right? Because the numbers and the charts looks very identical. So let me show you now.